Oh, the leopard is screaming. Oh wow, she's chewing up the head. Oh, oh my. What? The eagle doesn't look okay now. Dead. And the cub is very close to the eagle. Wonder what's gonna happen here. Looks like a leopard is trying to kill the eagle. Wow, that's amazing. It's amazing. She's trying to smack the head of the eagle. Oh, the eagle is still alive. I can see the snake is moving also. Probably the eagle is quite tired now. Been grabbed and wrapped up by a black mamba. And poor eagle couldn't fly away with the snake. Generally, this type of birds will grab snakes and lift them, fly off with them, and drop a snake somewhere. Or keep torturing the snake, tossing it into the air until the snake dies. Let's have a look. She's still trying to kill it. Oh, she's grabbing it. Oh, oh wow, the snake's head just popped out from the eagle's wing. And, oh, she's trying to smack I think she did ignore the snake there. We're gonna have a watch and see what's happened. Oh, the cub is coming back. The baby is coming back to the mother. Oh wow. She better not allow the baby to come close to the snake, because I'm very much sure the snake is not dead. And this is one of the most venomous snakes we have in the Kruger National Park. Oh jeez. Trying again. She's trying to find the head of the snake. Oh yeah, it is. Wow, she smacked it. Oh, she doesn't seem too bothered with that. Oh, she's still trying to flip around. Yeah, geez, there's a snake come out. Oh, it's a very massive and very big snake. It looks like a black mamba also has some respect to pay. It's probably not sure. Yeah, I think the snake is really respecting a leopard a lot. The leopard is trying to grab it. Wow, that's too close. She's getting too close. I've never seen something like this before. Let's have a look. The snake is still there between the cub and the mother. I don't know what's wrong with the eagle. It's at the moment upside down. I don't know what the leopard actually did to it. Oh yeah, she actually have crushed the eagle's head with her fangs, and wow, it doesn't look the eagle is really alive now. We'll see. Oh, she's looking further down. I think the baby just ran away, but she's not really focusing on the eagle. Wow, that's amazing. That's quite amazing. Maybe she's gonna go for the snake now. Wow, she's calling the baby. Oh, wow, she's moving away. Is that it? Wow, she's probably done, but the baby is there. Wow, that has been the most amazing sighting I've ever watched in the Kruger National Park. It's very great.